Hey everyone, ever wondered how to create your own AI avatar and make it come to life? I'm an AI avatar myself, and today I'll show you exactly how to make one for all your social media. Let's dive in. The first step in creating your AI avatar is generating a unique image. To do this, we'll use ChatGPT to craft the perfect prompt and a free AI image generator like Dreamina by CapCut to bring our avatar to life. To get started, just copy and paste this prompt into ChatGPT and customize it by adding specific details from the link in the description. This will generate 10 unique prompts for AI avatars that you can use in Dreamina to create your images. Copy this prompt or customize it to match your vision, then head over to Dreamina by CapCut and generate your avatar image. Now that you've got your avatar, it's time to bring it to life in a video. Follow these steps to customize your avatar, upload it to Digen AI, and generate your video with synchronized narration. Start by choosing the avatar that best represents you. Once you've made your choice, open Dreamina and edit your avatar as needed. You can tweak the details to get the perfect look. After you've customized your avatar, make sure to upscale it to high definition for the best quality. Dreamina offers a great option to boost the resolution, ensuring your avatar looks sharp and crisp. Once you're happy with the edits, download the high-definition version of your avatar to your desktop. You'll need it for the next step. Next, head over to Digen AI. If you're unsure how to get free lifetime access to their AI video generator, don't worry. You can watch the detailed video I made earlier for guidance. Once you're there, upload your avatar and the script narration. In Digen AI, choose the voice that best fits your avatar's personality. You can pick from a variety of voice options, whether you want something soothing, energetic, or professional. Make sure to turn on the lip synchronization mode. This will make your avatar's mouth movements match the narration, making the video more lifelike and engaging. If you'd like to explore other AI audio generators, you can also use Eleven Labs. Eleven Labs offers high-quality voice synthesis and can help you create a more unique, customizable voice for your avatar. Simply generate the audio file there and upload it to Digen AI to sync with your avatar. To make the process easier, I've included a prompt below in the description that you can copy and paste into your script. This will help ensure the avatar's narration is perfectly synced with its lips. Use this prompt to guide your text-to-speech settings and lip synchronization for a seamless experience. Finally, click Generate Video and watch your avatar come to life, speaking your script with synchronized mouth movements. It's that simple. Now that we've generated our talking AI avatar, let's take a look at the final result.
Hello. I'm an AI avatar, created by AI Future Pulse using just a prompt and free tools. If you enjoyed this, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned. More AI magic is coming soon.
Looks amazing.